Wake up to reality.
So hello guys, how are you all? Back in another Draw a Garden video. So as I promised, I will make a video on pets. So here is the video. So first of all, I would like to talk about the pets that are in the Christmas egg. First of all is the nut tracker, which is pretty easy to obtain from the egg, and it is just like the magpie, the term magpie got nerfed, so they made another magpie that is the nut tracker, just that you have to use it with the mimic octopus so that it can be more productive. Along with the nut tracker, the Yeti, it's also pretty useful because guys, it's not that hard to get 15 mutations on a plant, and with admin abuse and with some of the pets we have, we can get any plant like a strawberry to like 15 mutations, or a bunch of plants to more than 15 mutations. So it's pretty good to have the Yeti, but it's only 1% chance of getting the Yeti, so better luck with that one. And next I would like to talk about is the gift frog. It is a mythical pet. I know this can be a little controversial, but the gift frog is almost at level of the echo frog, if I am not wrong, because it not only it advances the tool down of the growth of the plants, but it also gives you free mutations, so it's pretty useful guys. You should get few of them. And also there is the red nose reindeer. There is actually a ritual where you have to put 8 level 100 reindeers in your garden, and then when you use this light there, it will fuse all, it will make one of them the red nose reindeer, or it will just appear in your inventory. I have not done it personally because it's very time taking guys, but this pet is the best pet of the update. I would say without any doubt it is the best pet of the update. Forget about all rest of the pets, just focus on the four that I have told you to get. And you should get like two or three of the hyper hunger pet shards, because they are OP, they are better than Nightmare, and you can use it on your mimics because it's better than Nightmare. Guys, come on, Nightmare it was better than Rainbow, and now something is better than Nightmare, so it's the best thing in the game. So you should get like 10 or 13 of them, just stack up on them, and I know in the admin abuse they will give you one, whether it is this week or on the Christmas day, I don't care, but you have to stack up on them, on them guys. Okay, I'm being desperate now. I'm actually being desperate now. And there will be also some advent token that can help you to recover any day that you have left or was unable to complete the mission. So you can get the help of advent tokens to recover those missions, so that that like 49 of them for a bad day when you are not there, or for the day on Christmas, in order to get the best seed, the gingerbread blossom seed. So thank you guys, that's all for today, peace out.